Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, 18th day of October. Really nice. Clear as a bell out here this morning as I make this at 4:01 a.m. And the temperature right now is 61 degrees. But since we are about roughly 3 hours from sunrise, which will be at 6:51 a.m., I think that temperature will fall into the 50s, maybe 56 before all is said and done. We're enjoying this. The dew point, it's okay. It's 53. But we are looking ahead to that next front. The front coming in this weekend with showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it on Saturday, which could affect some weekend plans. And then the front comes in on Saturday night. And then the nice air back behind it that we're going to sample. It's going to be brushing by our area for a day or two. We'll get a nice little sample of that. And we'll look ahead to later in the month. There could be 2 more cool fronts before this month is over. Let's get started.
Here's the big map this morning, and you see the frontal system, which has now gone all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and it's going to be stationary there for a couple of days. This next map shows dew point, and you can easily see where the front is, right? The humid air in Florida, the nicer air over us with dew points in the 50s, and the much drier air up to the north. Today, sunshine, relatively comfortable with a high around 78. Tonight's low around 60. Northeasterly winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour today, so a pretty good Thursday. And tomorrow, with the moisture returning a little bit, the dew points will be slightly higher, but I think highs will be in the upper 70s as clouds increase. Then Saturday, we're caught in a squeeze play between the front to the south and the front to the north, which is approaching, so scattered showers and thunderstorms will be rather numerous Saturday. Easily 50 to 60%. Splitting hairs on the exact numbers, but that gives you a good idea. There'll be a lot of showers and storms around. And Saturday night at 7 o'clock, the GFS shows the frontal system just north of Montgomery, between Montgomery and, let's say, Clanton, moving on southward. And there's the front on the coast Sunday morning at 7 a.m. with the nicer air flowing into the state. Much cooler air, comparatively speaking, and that breeze will add to the niceness. Breezy cooler with a high temperature in the upper 60s and a low on Monday morning. How about 45 in central Alabama, even mid-40s down into the Wiregrass and upper 40s down on the coast. Really nice air, but it doesn't last too long. A cool start, but a comfortable day Monday. We just get a little sample of this for a couple of days because the air is just going to graze us. And then by the middle of the week, the moisture is returning and the humidity's up a little bit again. So we're looking at rain chances small on today and tomorrow. Actually, 0 today, 10% tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms, a good bet Saturday and Saturday evening. Then Sunday, much nicer with highs in the upper 60s, mid-40s on Monday morning, and mid-70s for a high on Tuesday. And look at the GFS. It shows not only this front that is going to go through this weekend, but it shows another front around next Friday, the 26th, and another front somewhere around Halloween with some nicer air back behind it. The days are getting shorter. Today is 11 hours and 18 minutes long as far as daylight. Then we lose another hour and 17 minutes before the shortest day of the year on December 21st with 10 hours and 1 minute of daylight. What about high temperatures? The average high at this time of the year is 78, low 53, but on the first day of winter, the average high is 58, average low 37. So we will get cooler and cooler as we get deeper into the season. Out in the tropics, not much going on. I see 1, 2, 3 tropical waves out there, but no red flags. Nothing to worry about as far as anything developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm. Our weather app keeps you on top of weather changes, hourly weather forecast, current conditions, 10-day forecast, radar, future radar, and push notifications for severe weather alerts. It's in the App Store for you. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.
So that's all I have for you this morning. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning on Friday morning at 4:45 a.m. Hope you have a great day today. Of course, we're live on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Special day. It's Jay's birthday. Birthdays on our morning show are very special. We have a series of 3 of them here in the fall. And we'll be live on TV this morning at 5:50 a.m. and 6:40 a.m. on ABC 32 and CBS 8, the Alabama News Network. Also, I have a regular Thursday night feature on the 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock news on ABC 32 and CBS 8. So join me for that. And I hope you have a really nice day. We'll see you in the morning.